when a disaster of epic proportions threatens his town. One hero with an appetite for adventure,
Mamma mia!
will save the world. One hamburger at a time.
It really works!
Play as Flint Lockwood, the nerdy hero, from the new mouth-watering motion picture, Cloudy with the Chance of Meatballs. Battle highly mutated food enemies. Run, jump, climb, dodge, and puzzle-solve your way through level after level of food mayhem. Use Flint's crazy gadgets and vehicles, specially designed to melt, punch, slice and dice, carry, suck, and spray giant pieces of food raining all over Swallow Falls. Grab a friend and join in with Steve the Monkey for fun co-op gameplay. In 2009, get ready for the biggest food fight ever. Cloudy with the Chance of Meatballs, the video game.